You ready, monkey? Okay, come here. Yeah, hang on, Bucky, hang on. Hey, sweetheart. Away. Away. There you go, honey. Hello. Oh, I don't have my. Oh, it's okay. I gotta leave that running too until we leave. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You okay? I should put my window down. water. I know, you want to go back out. Hi, everybody. Well, I'm starting a new thing. And I mentioned it the other day, but you know, things get crazy and things change. But as you can see, I'm in my car. The view's this way. There you go. There's a van down there because there's like a famous haunted spot there. I actually put a video up on YouTube. And back here is the highway. And over there is like one of the oldest cemeteries in Niagara. So what am I doing in my car? Well, it's my new freedom. I've had some difficulty with my neighbors, and I've been like locked away in my house for like pretty much a week. No, hang on, Suki. And that like same as Suki, and we're used to being outside all the time. And I've always wanted to do car camping and stuff like that. And I've seen videos for it. So today is like a gorgeous day. It's supposed to rain for like the next 5 days. So I've taken the opportunity and I've come out to the car. And as you can see, I got like Suki's water, and my tarot cards, I'm writing, I got some tea. But as I'm here, I'm writing down ideas of like what do I need? And like what can Suki and I do? And how can I create art along the way? And continue to bring videos. So I know a lot on the car camping videos, they show like the things that they're doing. So I guess that's the first things first. So if you have ideas or comments that you can help out with the car camping, please comment below. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I'm really trying to do something with this now, and I really appreciate it. I plan on giving like the best content ever. I mean, like I'm gonna give it my all. So here I am. So first things first, on my list, hang on, let's have a look at the car. Okay, the car. So my feet, this is behind where I drive. I got the seat pushed forward. I put this here because I keep losing my keys. So I can understand now what they mean the car camping. It's been a hot minute because like I spilled water, and you know, I guess I'm getting my crash course in this, but so yeah, I'm gonna leave my driving space because it needs to be safe, and this is Suki's space. But I'm starting to see like where I have space, where I can like maybe utilize space. Like there's like these cool like things here, right? I'm not even sure what they're for, but like cruising, like how fast you're gonna cruise in a cruise. But yeah, there's airbags in the back. I see. I don't want to set those off, but I think they're off. I have to look at my manual. I'm talking too much. But I see that like I have a good space up here, right? And then these open. Suki's here right now, but there's like this little clip thing here. Watch out, Suki. I'm just gonna quickly show. So see, this comes down, and then this side comes down too. And this is like the bigger. Hang on. This is like the bigger space. Actually, wait. What do they do with the YouTube videos? They usually like. I know what they do. Hang on. I had to stick the phone there because it's like. So behind me, this comes down. Very similar to this. As you can see, this comes down. And it goes like right into my trunk. Some wires there. But like I have this like little table here that I use. And it folds up, but then this side comes like all the way down. And then in this space by my feet, I kind of get like, I've always had cleaner in here. Like, I've always kept stuff in my car. Because you never know, right? So then my rubber boots are here and some extra sweaters and a bag. And this door here, let's open there. It's like for when my kids, they would like slam it, and now it doesn't like open and close with the key. So it still opens and closes. Like it's like whatever happened with that system. So I think this is going to be an interesting space. I'm on this side because Suki wanted to be on. Oops, sorry. I'm on this side because Suki wanted to be on this side. On this side, as you can see, she's making up for she's back. Thanks, baby. She's such a good trooper. I don't know. I'm gonna try this. I do have to clean my car windows. They are awfully dirty. But yeah, this should be interesting. I'm looking forward to this adventure. I'm a little bit nervous. I've seen some pretty bad videos, you know, about car camping. But I'm gonna play it, you know, I'm gonna be safe about it. If I go, like, I'm gonna go car camping, like, through my days. And then at nighttime go home. So, like, I'm gonna try to make it, like a daily thing that I'm going out. So in that way I can get used to it before, like, a long trip. Because I do kind of have to plan for the future. So, we'll see what happens. Anyways, there's people approaching the car, and I always feel weird when I'm talking to my phone. Oh, I need to clean these windows.